enlarge the given shape by a scale factor of 2 about the center of enlargement. Okay, so if we check out the actual shape, it's a quadrilateral. The center of enlargement is not outside the shape, it's inside the shape. That doesn't make a great deal of difference. All you need to do is to continue your counting from the center of enlargement to each point of the shape. So what I'll do here is I'll actually label each of these points within the shape so that we can actually label our image. Good practice. Okay, so center of enlargement is right here, and that's what we'll be referring to. So let's deal with, for example, point A. The scale factor is 2, so how do I get from the center of enlargement to A? In this case it's pretty simple. I just go 1 to the left. That's scale factor 1. I repeat, that's scale factor 2, and I now know that this here is point A dash. That's the image of A after it's been enlarged by a scale factor of 2. So let's now have a look at point B. How do I get from the center of enlargement to point B? Okay, it's pretty simple. I just go 1 across, 1 up, and I just repeat 1 to the right and 1 up. That's scale factor 2, so B dash is there. Let's have a look at C. How do I get to C? 1, 2, 3, and 1 up. Repeat 1, 2, 3, and 1 up. So this here must be C dash. And the last one, how do I get to D? 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, you always go x-axis first and then y. So it's 4 across and then 1, 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 down. And this is where D dash is. All I have to do now is draw that shape. Just be a bit careful. So I go from A dash to B dash. Might make those lines a bit thicker. A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, and to finish it off, D dash going to A dash. And there's my enlarged shape.